Hello friends, so here I am with a new video about complete week diet chart and some tips to reduce weight faster. So let's get started. So here, first thing I would like to mention, cook your own meal because cooking more often can help us to develop healthy eating habits. Drink apple cider vinegar morning in empty stomach because about 100 grams of apple cider vinegar has about 22 calories, which means it makes for a low calorie drink that can help to boost weight loss. So we need to keep our body hydrated throughout the day. So you can take this detox water drink because the lemon and cucumber boost our metabolism, so it helps us burn fat faster. Every day adding 30 minutes of workout to your daily routine, it can make you feel happier, it can help you to weight loss, and it is good for your muscles and bones, and you feel more energetic. With regular consumption of green vegetables, you not only have lower cholesterol level, the fiber in the green veggies eliminates the piled up toxins. This helps you to get more energy to do your day-to-day task more better. Grains and lentils in your diet because they are highly nutritious and they contain vitamins, micronutrients, and they are incredible rich in protein. Now let's see 1 week diet chart. So let's start with Monday. Monday for breakfast, you can have 1 cup of upma cooked with some vegetable. For lunch, 100 grams of boiled rice with 1 cup of Masoor Dal and carrot and beans fried with some salad. For dinner, 1 cup of boiled soya chunks stir fry with some bell pepper and onion. Coming to Tuesday, for Tuesday breakfast, you can have 1 brown bread toast with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and 1 egg omelette. For lunch, you can have some broken wheat khichdi with 1 cup of cucumber onion raita. For dinner, make stir fry of 50 gram of paneer, broccoli, beans, bell pepper and some carrot. In Wednesday's menu, for breakfast you can have 3 small idli with 1 cup of sambar. For lunch, you can have one roti. That roti you have to make it from oats, wheat and flax seed with 1 cup of boiled vegetable with some salad. For dinner, 2 boiled egg with some salad without salt. For Thursday, in breakfast, you can have 1 bowl of oatmeal with some milk and banana and 1 cup of yogurt. For lunch, mix stir-fried vegetable, adding some broccoli, carrot and onion, 1 cup of boiled chana, some peanuts and tomato. For dinner, you can have 1 roti, 2 boiled egg and some stir-fried cauliflower. For Friday, in breakfast, you can have banana oat smoothie. And for lunch, 80 gram of boiled rice, some stir-fried broccolis, boiled potato and some tomato. For dinner, you can have Qunioa Salad. Now it's Saturday. So for Saturday's breakfast, you can have some scrambled egg with some vegetable. And for lunch, you can have 1 cup of millets and Moong Dal khichdi. For dinner, you can have some chickpea salad. So for Sunday breakfast, you can have 1 dosa with some green chutney. And in lunch, you can have 1 oats roti, 1 cup of boiled vegetable, 1 boiled egg with some salad. For dinner, have stir-fried vegetables and paneer. You can add 50 gram of paneer, some broccoli, some bell pepper and beans. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also mention your views in the comment section. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.